it's your girl Renee, and I'm giving you an update on how it is going in my backyard. As you can see, these bricks right here, they were used to hold back some of the dirt in my retaining wall. So as you can see, they're no longer like standing up straight. They're like all bent down. So these are the bricks that Bernie and I have taken out of that dirt. And this is the destruction. This is the construction area of where those bricks used to be. So as you can see, some of my plants, my primrose, and thank goodness we didn't mess up my Helleborus and primrose, my boxwood, got a little tilted to the side, but hey, I can easily fix that. But this is how it is going, and I have to smooth out this whole area nice and smooth, just like I did this area. Starting to smooth this area out because it used to look like that. Now it's starting to look like that, so I'll be able to have a nice planting area. Sorry about the sun, and you see I'm following my plans in my design book. So I have not gotten to these bricks. I am taking out the bricks that are the worst, the ones that are leaning really bad forward. So I have taken these bricks out. Bernie and I have been working really hard, taking these bricks out, and I've already smoothed this part of the dirt back because I was working on this morning, and so this area is starting to look really good. I weeded it, put down the Shasta daisies, and my tulips, as you can see, are starting to pop up. So Bernie and I are hard at work trying to get as much of this done, because now, as you can see, the sun is starting to come out. So this is what my backyard looks like. It looks like a construction site, but you know what? It is a good construction site. It means bigger things are gonna be happening in Renee's garden, and beautiful things will be emerging from all this hard work and effort that I am putting into my yard. So I just wanted to give you guys an update to let you know that things are moving around quickly. Trash is filling up with all the stuff that I do not need, but I'm not going to let this stop me. And that plant that I was trying to kill, that camouflage plant, this is the big mother. This is like the heart of that plant. Look at the roots that I found too of that camouflage plant. See, I would have been killing all and just using up a lot of that weed killer and stuff. But deep down under the dirt, this is what was giving all these little ones life. So now that I have uprooted some of the heart of that plant, I got rid of this one, and I was able to pull out this one too. So to me, that's like a big win for Renee and Renee's garden, because now I should not see too many of these roots coming up in my garden. And look, my Helleborus has emerged. See, I'm telling you, like Beauty in the Garden says, there's always beauty in the garden. And this is my beauty today, my Helleborus. Oh, guys, this is your girl Renee, and me and Bernie are exhausted. Woo! As I told you in the previous video, how we took all those bricks out of that area where you see that fresh dirt. We left some, those two behind that tree, that Christmas tree right there, because I'm sorry for my dirty hand, because it was a big obstacle behind that Christmas tree. So we just said, we'll just plant around it. So we have some primroses and we should have some tulips and stuff coming up around there. So let me walk you through the final stages of what me and Bernie did today. I cleared out this section, and this is where I put the Shasta daisies, which are right there and there and there and there. So I have a whole trio of Shasta daisies. So that should be a spectacular show of white. And then behind the white, you should see some daylilies that are pink. And you should have some delphiniums that are going to be a lush purple. And then I am going to have some pink. And then I'm going to have some phlox at the front, which is going to be purple. And then I'm going to have my petunias. That's going to be pink. So that should be amazing. And then inside of that red pot right there should be a show of tulips. Then as we walked over here, you could see I have some of those ornamental grasses up there at the top. Those are going to be filled with beautiful white plumes that's going to just wave in the air. It's going to be a magnificent sight. So I will make sure I make a video so you guys will be able to see that show as well. And then as we come around here, this is where more of those blocks were, right where those tulips were, which are the blocks which are down here on the ground, which we took out. And that is a new planting bed. So I can just go wild with blast of colors, different pops of colors, any color that will make a statement in my garden. And then there's some more blocks that Bernie dug out for me out of this hill. And we have our beautiful Japanese maple. That's going to be this beautiful burgundy color. And then we have our magnificent Helleborus, which you guys have seen in previous videos, but I'll show it to you again. Look at this gorgeous flower. I love Helleborus, but they are expensive. So that's a high ticket item for that flower. And then as you see, we cleared out more planting area. And then these are the remaining blocks. And then I have mums that are still covered in leaves because I will uncover them when I'm ready to put my new planting boxes out. So let me give you an overview of what the new planting area looks like. And then I will turn this away so you can see exactly. Of course, I had to have my Slurpee because I tell you, today wore us out. But you know, you got to treat yourself after you've worked really, really hard. So this is the overview. But don't you think from this planting all the way down is going to be glorious with all the different types of flowers and stuff that I will choose at the nursery? And then Bernie did an awesome job with cleaning out the upper level for me. She did putting in the cabbage up there, and then she pulled and weeded, and I am so proud to have her as a gardening buddy because this day could not have happened without the help of my gardening buddy Bernie. She's amazing. She's as knowledgeable as they come when it comes to gardening. So I just wanted to make a quick video, and of course I can't leave without showing you my Buddha. This Buddha is going to get a nice power washing, and then I'm going to power wash the stairs, and I'm going to figure out what vibrant color I want to color the stairs, paint the stairs so they will have a color that would just say hello come into my meditation corner, and it's going to make you feel calm and happy. And that's what I want in my garden. Whenever you come into Renee's garden, I want you to feel comfortable, at ease, happy, and just ready to walk around and stay a while and talk about gardening. Isn't that fabulous? That's what a garden should always be about. And you guys always know that I put God first in my life, and I always am a reminder of that when I see my beautiful angel. All right, guys, we're going to leave this video with a beautiful look at my daylilies. So let's go. You can see one daylily and see how beautiful it is at a distance. That pop of yellow is what I want in my garden. I want colors that would just pull your attention to that area. So let's go through. As you can see, my little butterfly hanging from a white arbor. Let's go look at my other daylilies. My daffodils that have popped open for me today. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? A real light petals in the back and that deep yellow. These daffodils are so pretty and breathtaking. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys. I don't know where my garden buddy Bernie went, but I'll give you a walk up the hill so you can see exactly what she did for me today. We cleaned off the walkway up to the upper level. This is the way we go when we come up here. And let me show you what she did for me today. See, she planted some beautiful cabbage up here for me. Isn't that beautiful? This is going to be at a level where I want to incorporate some vegetables along with some beautiful flowers. So we have one there that's planted right by a carpet red rose. That's going to be amazing. And then you have daffodils here, and then up at the top is another cabbage. So she did an amazing job planting for me. So I can't wait for the flowers to open and also for the cabbage. So I'll give you a look way down the hill. I won't walk you all the way down there, but you'll be able to see as you walk down the walkway, and then you make that left, and then you go down the stairs to the lower level, which is all that. And this is what my Buddha looks like from the back, and this is from the side. This is Miss Renee's garden. Still a work in progress, but it's a fun progress. It gives me so much happiness and joy. All right, and you can see the road from way up here. I love this view from up here because it makes me want to say again, I'm king, queen of the mountain. And that's my neighbors. I want that white fence. I want to connect it from that point all the way to my house, which I think would be cool because you guys don't know, a couple of nights ago, there was 3 deer down there eating my sedum that's planted around that red pot. I got out of my bed, went to that door, and I started banging and telling them to go away. This was not their buffet time. And you can see on the side, see how that side has a whole bunch of sedums, but on this side is blank. That's where they were eating all my sedums, but they didn't see the tulips that were in my pot. So knock on wood that they will not discover them or my other tulips that are starting to pop up in my landscape. All right, you guys. Bernie must be sitting down, enjoying her rest time. as I'm coming back down the hill. This is where I have to go to get to the bottom of my hill. All right, going under my old arbor here. And I didn't even have time to sit in my little chair today because I was so busy. And you guys can see from a distance what it looks like from here. So you can see exactly what it looks like. Give you an overview. And I was gonna make a new vegetable garden where that shovel was, right there by my Fuyu persimmon tree, but I decided I'm too pooped. I'll do that another day. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have a video coming your way. Alright guys, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.